Hey, hello and welcome to Ambition Success. My name is SK and in this video I will give you source of few more videos on Google Workspace which are not available in my channel Ambition Success. So if you are viewer of Ambition Success, then for a long time you are not receiving any video in my channel Ambition Success on Google Workspace. And the reason behind that, I have an exclusive tech channel named Ways to Online, and there only I am uploading on the videos. So this is side by side comparison. You will understand what all videos are not available in Ambition Success but in Ways to Online, and vice versa also, which is only for one video. So quickly, on my right, this is my tech channel Ways to Online, and on my left, this is my non-tech channel Ambition Success. And I have opened in the window playlist on Google Workspace. You can see here I have only 7 videos and here I have 15 videos, more than double. Now if you quickly see both the window, then you will find that up to this I have in both the channels. What I have Ambition Success but not in my tech channel Ways to Online is this, which is do's and don'ts in Google Workspace during trial period. So this is in English. I don't upload English video in Ways to Online. That's the reason it's not present there. And these two are promotion, where I have mentioned to my viewers that no longer Google Workspace videos will be available in Ambition Success. For that you have to go to Ways to Online, and this is also a promotional video of one of my video present in Ways to Online. So now I am increasing size of the playlist which has more videos in Ways to Online, and quickly browse through those videos which you may be interested but not available in Ambition Success, and those starts from here. So this one, how to create website in mobile phone. So if you want to create using your mobile phone, then this will help you. Mainly I created this to show you that suppose you are on the go vacation and you need to update something in your website, you don't have any system and all those things. With smartphone only you can do that, and few other things also, like uploading videos to your image gallery and all those things you will find here. Next, Google Workspace setup with debit card. I had earlier received comment that I am facing problem at the time of registering or subscribing Google Workspace while I am using debit card. So I have captured various reasons which may lead to failure at the time of subscription of Google Workspace if you are using debit card. So if you are facing that, you need to watch this video. And if you are sharing my video to your friends and family, don't forget to share this video also, which provides some basic information on Google Workspace subscription using debit card. Then Google Workspace plan downgrade. Now there are so many plans: business starter, business standard, then enterprise. So all the plans are having some plus, some minus in terms of features. Suppose you have subscribed lower plan, now your business is increasing, you need more feature. How will you upgrade to upper plan and vice versa? So this video tells that. Then Google Workspace payment setup, understanding billing of Google Workspace and how payment is made. This is very important. Most of you may be interested to know before subscribing to Google Workspace. So this will clear all your questions and doubts if you have any. Next one is how to create online time slot blocking app with Google Workspace. Online time slot blocking. So this is the topic where I will focus more in coming days. Not only website but Google Workspace various apps can give you power to create some system, some automation in your business process. So this is one of those kind of video you must watch, because this is the true power of Google Workspace. Next, website designing, how to create multiple websites in Google Workspace. This is also one of my best feature and favorite feature, I should say. You can create multiple websites like big organizations. Suppose you have catering. Now you have also started some restaurant. You have website on catering you created using Google Workspace. Now you want to create another website. The brand name is same for your restaurant. So you can do that. How you can use subdomain, it is all about that. Then next one is how to run multiple website using single domain. This is similar to the one I have just explained at the top. So you should watch both of them. Then website transfer before cancelling Google Workspace. So all these same looking thumbnails like this are how to cancel Google Workspace. Now when I say how to cancel, you may wonder why I have created videos on how to cancel Google Workspace. Not because to discourage you, but to tell you that anytime you can cancel Google Workspace and you will not receive any invoice after you cancel Google Workspace. And especially what you will find in these videos, suppose you have created your website, you have invested time, maybe you have invested money also at the time of creating website. Now you are going to cancel subscription. So what will happen to your website? Will that be deleted also? So all the answers you will find here, like how to transfer, website transfer, how you can do that before you cancel Google Workspace. Now this one is how to cancel Google Workspace. Now earlier one, how to transfer your website. Now your website is transferred. Now how will you cancel it? Then you have cancelled Google Workspace. So you had also paid for your domain. What will happen to your domain? This video is all about that. So this is all the videos. Let me count. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 videos are there which are not available in Ambition Success. So if you want to view those, go to Google Workspace videos in my channel Ways to Online. So quickly I am showing you how will you go. Just type in the search. Let me show you that here, Ways to, and you will find this icon. Even if you are not finding that, click filter and select here channel, and then you will find all the videos on all the channels link which has name Ways to Online, and this is my channel. Click there and here you go. So you have this playlist here. Most importantly, before I finish this video, I have also started videos on Google Workspace using my mobile phone. So if you don't have computer, laptop or any system like that, then also if you are interested, then how will you go ahead with Google Workspace is the main topic or context behind that. You are also requested to watch that. So thank you for watching this. At the end, if there is will, there is Ways to Online. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.